How to zoom out on Gmail screen. If you're using Gmail on your iPhone and find that everything is too large or you just want to zoom out for a better view, today I'm going to show you how to zoom out on your Gmail screen and adjust your view settings. So let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your iPhone. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from the App Store. Now, to zoom out, you can use your iPhone's built-in zoom gesture like this. Now simply place two fingers in the screen and move them apart to zoom in, and or pins them together to zoom out. This will allow you to adjust the size of the text and icons in the Gmail app. If this doesn't work for you, what you need to do is simply go to your settings on your iPhone, then tap on display and brightness. From here, simply tap on text size and adjust the slider to make the text smaller or larger, like this. Simply choose on whichever you prefer. Another option is to enable display zoom for a compact view. Simply go to settings, then on display and brightness, select view under the display zoom. You can switch between standard and standard zoom modes for the different viewing experience. Now, while you're reading emails, if you find text too large or small, you can also use the pinch to zoom gesture with an email to zoom in or out on the content, making it easier to read or fit more text on the screen. Also, you can adjust Gmail's layout settings. Simply tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the app and simply go to settings. Here you can simply change things like conversation view or simply notification settings to personalize your Gmail experience. And that's it. You've learned how to zoom out and adjust your Gmail view settings on your iPhone.